How to add Spotify music to Garmin Fenix 8. So the first step is to simply connect your Fenix 8 to Wi-Fi. So before downloading music, make sure your watch is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Just head into your settings or connectivity, and then you should find wireless networks. Once you found one, go ahead and simply search for a network and connect to it. Now, once you've connected to it, go ahead and install Spotify on the watch by opening the Garmin Connect IQ store on your phone and then searching for Spotify. Once you've done that, go ahead and begin the download, and you should see something like this on your watch. Tap the install and sync the app to your Garmin Fenix 8. Spotify is available on the Fenix 8 and other music capable Garmin watches. And then all you need to do is just simply log into the Spotify on your watch and click on Get Started. You'll be asked to connect your Spotify account through the Garmin Connect app on your phone. And once you've done that, you can now begin downloading your playlist and podcast by just simply connecting your account and selecting Add Music and Podcast. You can download playlists, recently played content, workout playlist, and podcast directly on your watch. And after you've done that, the next step is just to simply wait for the sync by keeping your watch connected to the Wi Fi while Spotify downloads your music. Larger playlists may take several minutes depending on your Wi Fi speed, as Spotify playlists can later update automatically while the watch is charging and connected to Wi Fi. And then the last step here would just be to simply connect the Bluetooth headphones. So once your download is done, just simply pair your Bluetooth headphones with your watch. That way you get to listen to premium music while being plugged in. All right, guys.